Today we're about to change our speed sensor on an Infiniti i30. So symptom will be like it's changing shit. Well, it's shifting weird pretty much, and you get the P0720 code. Okay, as you see, let me show you right here. Where look at that, look, P0720 code. Okay, this is gonna be easy. All you gotta do is take off the driver wheel if you want, and you'll be right there. Let me show you real quick. All you gotta do, I turned the wheel, so I have to remove it. Okay, this is the clips, 10 mil that's there, and the clips. Remove those, and it should be right there. Okay, these clips be so annoying to take off. This one, but yeah, let's take off this 10 mil first. Then see these, sometimes you put the screwdriver in there and it strips so easy. I just remove it completely like this. I just put new ones in there because that's how annoying it be. Okay, move this one. Let's just bend this down, and here's your problem right here. Right here. You just put this down a little bit, and this will be right here. There's your sensor. Okay, this is 10 mil on top and a connector. Okay, let's remove the connector first. What you gotta do is pinch it off. Pinch it down and pull back on it if you can. If not, remove the sensor and do it that way, which I might do. I'm gonna do that because this thing is tough. Be careful with this bolt. Sometimes it breaks. You don't want it to break, man. Okay, now I get some more room. Now let's try to take off the connector. Okay, all right, we got it. Now let's pop this up. Be careful with that. That grommet in there be dried out, so use a flathead on one of these. Okay, oh shit. Yeah. You have it right there. Okay, now let's take the new one and put it in there. I like putting some grease around the O-ring so it just slips down. Let's do that. Okay, it's the new one. Now just put it in there. Easy peasy. Should push down on it. Okay. Now put your 10 mil bolts. Tighten it. Put your connector. And erase the code. You should be good. After that, go for a test drive, see how it feels. Make sure it shifts good. It's crazy how this little sensor could just, throw a code and shift weird because of this. People think it's a tranny, but it's not the trans. So this little thing is the culprit. Shit. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's connect this back. Okay. Once you do that, put lay the thing back where it was. 10 mil up here. 10 mil. Clip stack, and put the other one, and it should be done. And that was it. So if I helped you out, you know the deal. Give me a like and subscribe. Later.